for Best Late Night Variety Talk Show. Back to you in the studio, Mario. I'm Juliana Rachich. Everybody, peace out. Wow, that was an amazing lineup. Wow, you never know. It's a wide open field. They got a bunch of white guys, a woman, and a black guy. So let's may the best person win. All right. Okay. What? Is everything okay? I'm here. Pia, is that? Who is that? Who's that on the side? Who are you?
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, you ain't announced nothing about no Desus and Mero. No one showing late night? Nothing but illustrious guests?
Yeah, no, no.
Yo, it's good, Slater.
Listen, man, I've moved.
Yo, you gonna
past
read off
that.
all those other shows? You're not gonna read out the number one show at late night? They had John Legend singing about eating butt.
You didn't get nominated, so I can't.
That's why Jesse left you with Showgirls.
Wow, that wasn't even real. The fuck up was real. Stupid.
Get him.
The fuck out of here.
You didn't see Mero coming from behind.
Stupid.
That's right.
You're a fucking clown.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. Where the actual Emmys at? Give us our Emmy.
Give us our shit.
Give us
stupid. Get the fuck out of here.
Wait. Oh, it's just a nomination.
Oh, it's just.
Oh
shit.
This ain't even. Oh wow. Yo.
So we still got a shot. Like we could.
No. We done.
Oh,
yeah, we're not getting nominated. We're probably going to jail because we beat up Mario Van Peebles.
Van Lopez, some shit like that. Fucking nigga, let's get our money's worth.
Enjoy Step By the Bell, the hospital years.
I'm saying, yeah, clown ass motherfucker.
Right? We're gonna go beat up Justin Diamond as well.
Yo, matter of fact, do the intro for the podcast, clown. You fucking clown, do it. This is episode 165 of the most illustrious podcast. This is Mario Lopez signing off. Go baseline.
Yeah, we're going to the max.
Fuck y'all.
I'm a tongue kiss Lisa. He's gonna like give a little French kiss to Kelly.
That's right. You know what's extra? This dick.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here, yo. Do the fucking drop.
You know, this is episode 165.
Yeah.
The most illustrious podcast in the world.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, what?
Bodega Boys in the building. For those of you guys watching it, listen to this on SoundCloud. You know, enjoy this. It's always available on the Bodega Sushi SoundCloud channel or the Bodega Boys SoundCloud.
That's right.
Also, for those of you enjoying it on YouTube, on the Bodega Boys channel, you know what I'm saying? And you're like, what? I didn't know about the other one. Or you didn't know about the other one. That's right. You can enjoy this in audio format or video format.
Every format.
2 ways.
We're giving you everything.
2 ways, like Mero's favorite category on X and XX. Because he likes to do, he only jerks off the P note that was popping when his cousin got locked up.
You know what I'm saying? You feel me?
Right?
I'm trying to watch Isis Nile, nigga.
All right, he jerks off to the porn to give you in a brown bag when you leave jail. It's that and your J. Rue the Damager CD.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? It's me or the papers.
Yo.
Yo, as always, shout out to Square Cash.
Yo, big up Square Cash.
By the time you listen to this, we will have successfully have sponsored Pizza Zoo.
That's right. That's right, yo.
You know what I'm
saying? Shout out to Pizza Zoo. Shout out to, you know what I'm saying? Like Nico, everybody out there. You know what I'm saying? Big time Tommy.
You know, it's like Thomas Friedman said in his book about economics. Your seed marries my seed, marries his seed. That's how we keep bodega money all up in the family.
That's right.
Cash App is like, I don't get the reference, but sure, fuck it. I fucks with the vibe.
Cash App holla. You know,
shout out to Miami. Last week we came through it. Bodied it.
Oh my God.
Caught a body.
Woo! Just stepped on stage like, yo. You know what I'm saying? The crowd couldn't even handle it.
That's right. We just stood on stage for 20 minutes. Didn't even say anything.
Word. That Michael Jackson flow.
Just looking
like,
at
yo.
people were fainting. They were carrying them out on stretchers and shit.
Bananas. We didn't even have merch. They were wild and they were making their own merch. They bought arts and crafts tools.
People were making their own merch. People were taking out their undershirts, pricking their fingers, and writing "Die for the Hive" in blood.
And blood.
And blood.
It was like a Travis Scott concert. Like 4 niggas jumped off the balcony. It was wild. Straight up. You know what I'm saying?
By the time you're listening to this, I believe we have just bodied Austin.
That's right.
It's going to be great. I'm going to be throwing a hot pulled pork into the audience. Bring your Gallagher tarp.
He's got mad trays on stage and just dump the shit on the
No, we're going to have a straight pork.
Like,
we're gonna cook it as the show goes on.
Have this shit in the crock pot? Like, yo, you want to taste this shit?
Just a big ass Instant Pot.
No Q&A, like, just a little taste test.
A little taste test.
You know what I'm saying? We're going to Rachel rate shit up.
I ain't bring my metal. They took away my meat thermometer at the airport, so I don't know if it's been cooked thoroughly through. So, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You want to roll the dice? You roll the dice.
It happens with pork.
Trust the brand.
Listen, there's a lot of times, as a little yardie youth dumb. There's many times I'll be walking down the street and someone's roasting pork in a barrel.
That's right.
It smells good as shit.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a food rating.
Nah.
And I know I shouldn't eat it.
But you know what?
But you do. And you look at it, this shit's not cooked all the way through. But it's delicious. What are you supposed to do?
So good.
Are we here for a good time or are we here for a long time?
I'm trying to tell you.
I'm trying to tell people.
I mean, I just started this shit yesterday. I was sitting in bed and I was just like thinking about life.
Talk to him.
And I was just
also,
like,
shout out to the flex. Mero got a bed.
And it's on a frame.
Whoa, easy.
Sorry, brokies.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying? I got a headboard.
Wait a minute. You mean to tell me if your house floods, your mattress won't get wet?
Pow! Out here.
Wow.
Wealth. Generational wealth.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Do all your kids got mattresses?
All of them. You know what I'm saying?
How many mattresses we talking?
Woo! Nigga, bro, I got a twin mattress in the basement just in case. Just in case.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? We get a little urinary action. You know what I'm saying?
Got a backup mattress. That's
But you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, I was just sitting in bed and I was just like, we always think about new things all the time. Mm-hmm. And I was just thinking, I was just looking at the ceiling, watching the ceiling fan spin around. I was like, yo, you know what? It's true. There's only one life. You know what I'm saying? You only live once. So I was like, yo, if I was to put that into like an acronym, it would be like YOLO. And it's like YOLO. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, you feel me?
I feel you.
You feel me? YOLO. You only live once. And I was thinking like, yo, that should be like a life motto.
You want to trademark that? I feel like
definitely trademark that.
I don't know if the streets will accept that though. I don't know. I can't see that catching on.
I mean, you never know. You know what I'm saying? But we trendsetters, always coming up with new shit. So YOLO. You know what I'm saying? We just made that shit up.
YOLO trademark Kid Mero.
Pow, we out here, stupid.
The Kid YOLO. Kid Mayolo.
Mayolo Blahnik, nigga.
Yeah. Damn, that sounds like a rapper name. Like you definitely on the track with Red Cafe.
Yeah.
Yep.
I want to understand what made him decide on that name, dog. Like, was that your default Xbox gamer tag, nigga? Like, slippery noodle, nigga? Red Cafe? Or
that shit was a sticker, it's just a skeleton with a top hat. Like, yo. Welcome to Xbox. Oh, no, completely unrelated to nothing. Elephant Man's real name is O'Neal Bryant.
O'Neal Bryant. Okay, there it goes. Here we go. That sounds Jamaican enough. Yeah. Is it O'Neal like Neal?
Yeah.
Yard man.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
You ever fuck with blue baby cheese? The little cheese in the wax?
Yeah. And I used to bite the wax when I was a kid because I didn't realize. Nobody told me. They lied to me. They kept me in the dark.
They lied to you. I have no idea why that just came up. It's not a sponsor or anything, but
Shout out to Blue.
I'm gonna have it on my new show, Jesus Destinations. We travel to the hood, eat various cheeses and shit. Yo, I got the call from my nigga down in Jacksonville, Trick Daddy. So we going down here to eat some Blue Baby cheese outside this Wendy's drive-thru.
Bluebell cheese.
Bluebell cheese.
Just lick it and put it back.
Is that still a thing? Is that what we're doing?
No, stop.
My new thing now.
Stop.
We have the West Indian Challenge. You go to any West Indian restaurant, you hop over the counter, you drink the oxtail gravy with the spoon, lick the spoon, throw it back, and run out.
There will be a machete in your neck before you are over the counter, dog. Like, yo,
go and try to run over the counter.
Niggas, fam. You will get, y'all watch the Pasa Pasa DVDs. You think little dude is skinny and wiry and shit? Nah, man, he'll catch a 400-pound shorty jumping off a fucking ladder.
Easy.
But what the fuck you think he's gonna do to you? He's gonna fucking mangle you. Fuck out of here. He's a rob a Jamaican restaurant, nigga. I'd be like, nigga, let's rush the White House first. What's the fucking challenge now? Storm Area 51?
We want to see them aliens. Show us them aliens. I like the theory. Everyone's like, if enough of us come, they can't stop all of us.
Yeah, actually,
and the U.S. government was like, you thought?
Yes, nigga. Have you ever played Call of Duty, sir? Have you ever manned the AC-130 gunship?
Okay. Guns.
You just see little white spots running across the ground, and you just see a big puff of smoke and no more little white dots.
While you're switching guns. While you're deciding which. It's not a matter of if I'm going to shoot you. It's which gun I'm going to shoot you. Which one?
Am I going to use the or am I going to use the...
Yeah. The way that just it lands, everyone on the street is like, yo! That game is wild. You just like shoot it like in the streets.
Yo.
Just on a residential street.
Yo,
Like,
yeah,
nothing.
like,
It's the Americans suck my dick.
Suck my dick. Hold this
We in the air.
MP5.
Pow. Matter of fact, in one of the Call of Duties, a building falls down while you're in it.
While you're in it.
Nothing.
But you still out here clapping shots.
You're still out there. You're good. Call of Duty makes war look mad lit.
Mad lit.
Mad lit. Not so much.
Not at all.
They need Call of Duty PTSD.
Yeah.
They just in bed, this shit just shaking.
Yo, you're in Kmart and the inventory. He's like, yo. Your boss is like, hey,
You just jump and put a gun in his wife's face.
Hey,
like,
Bill.
don't stick up on me.
What? Nigga wake up in a cold sweat.
Oh,
Like,
shit.
God damn. Sorry, y'all. I'm saying.
Yeah.
Support the troops.
Do you remember
Thoughts and
in
prayers?
2012 where Shorty hopped over the counter at the Greenwich Village McDonald's?
Oh, and the dude that was on
The
papers
guy was like, da,
beat
da,
the
da,
brakes.
da, da.
Yeah, I'm washing you.
Yeah.
He beat the brake. Nigga, where'd he get a pipe?
No, he used the thing you scrub the fry grill with.
Oh, yo, he beat the. But they asked for it. Dog.
Yeah.
Cause listen, Shorty jumped up like, yo, what's popping, nigga? I think she punched him first though. Actually, I think he was trying to break it up.
No, she was like, I'll cut you. I'll fucking cut you. Because they remember the whole thing started because they tested the $50 bill. Because remember, now, back in old New York, that McDonald's was affectionately referred to as the gay McDonald's.
True.
Not allowed to use these terms anymore.
That's true, yeah.
Right?
True.
It's back when you used to be able to call it a guinea tea or a wife beater.
Exactly.
You used to say my cousin was coolie. These are no longer acceptable terms.
And that's how you would differentiate that McDonald's and the Delancey McDonald's?
Exactly. The gay McDonald's versus the dog food McDonald's.
You go to dog food or the gay McDonald's?
You like, maybe by the gay McDonald's by the West 4th Street ball court. Looking back, I was like, why didn't you just say the West 4th Street ball court? But you know what? It's whatever.
Hey, we just had these all ringing off all the time back in the days.
And they had the rat Taco Bell across the street.
Oh, yeah.
With that time, someone walked by at night and the rats were doing Cirque du Soleil.
Yo.
Niggas hold each other's hands and fling each other up.
That's the funny shit to me because I'm like, yo, if you're a rat, ain't you just trying to get in and out? Like, eat your food, like, stay low, like, keep a low profile? Nah, bro.
Nah.
They was up there macking.
No, those rats,
they
moved to New York from Iowa and shit. They were theater rats. If you look back, you can see they were hanging with, like, Lady Gaga, and they were all holding hands. I hope one of us makes it.
The night manager, the fucking maintenance dude was like, yo, get the fuck out of here. He's like, we deserve to be here. We're Americans, too.
We're performing here.
Hey.
We're performing here.
Excuse me.
You interrupted our performance in the Heights.
Oh, my God. Can you believe it?
Just indignantly throw on their scarf and get on the G train.
I said it at URB. Give me a break.
Just singing Hamilton in a low voice. Your headphones on, we can still hear you. Hamilton, 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 Hamilton. I don't want some Hamilton. Look at this Hamilton. We don't know any Hamilton songs. Not even close. We don't even know like one bar of a real Hamilton song.
Don't. And we fuck with him and all that niggas listen to this shit like, yo.
Relax. I was on 233rd and White Plains. Me and Hamilton were riding the train. I saw you and made you my slave. I don't know. What I don't know is what I don't know, and I'm not learning.
I'm jumping over calls while I shoot. Aaron Burr.
Here we go. There we go. Here we go now. There we go now. There we go now. The one part I do know about Hamilton is like when he gets shot.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, I got shot.
He's like, yo.
I got shot.
Yo. They're trying to hit me, twin.
I'm about to drop. I'm about to. Bass drop. If
you got long hair, put your hands up. If you got long hair, put your hands up. If you got a $20 bill, make noise.
Constitution. Faith Evans come through on roller skates and shit.
All the red coats, be quiet. All the red coats, be quiet. Yo, imagine Fat Man Scoop as George Washington. He's just like led the revolution and shit.
Like, yo, let my man Paul Revere get a verse.
Yo. The British is coming, nigga.
The British is coming. The British is coming. Bye-bye. Down with King George and they don't want me. Colonies keep making it. British keep on taking it.
England keeps on faking it. Yo,
Coming to you, Harbor throwing that way tea.
Can't say like James on the one Georgie. Yo, shit.
T-tax, 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 T-tax. Back in the day, there was no T-tax. I could just drink my tea and relax. BDP presents Hamilton.
The British Town Posse. Yo, Slick Rick is like, yo, I can get with this.
Not too long, not long ago.
When people had lived
in England and lived life slow.
There was a little boy who was misled to a picking mix, and this is what he said. All these niggas is touching this candy with their bare hands. I ain't trying to go to a fucking foreign land.
I'll do life if I go to America. Ran to the floor and who did he see? Pocahontas shooting dope and don't know the meaning of corn or soap.
Yo, imagine like the what if I was watching some NBA TV shit called What If. Like what if this had happened or what if that happened?
Bro, that was a Marvel series for the comic book. What if? And they'd be like, what if Spider-Man joined the X-Men?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Wolverine would have fucked him up. He would be like, yo, stop fucking making jokes. Like, I'm depressed.
Are those Lee press-on nails?
Hey man, why do they call you Wolverine? You went to Ohio State.
Boo.
Boo. Like,
he's like, you know what? You rush the enemy first. You just go out there first. We got you.
Yeah, you got it. We got it.
He's the X-Men. You know what? The X-Men movies are a lot more action-packed than the comic books were.
Oh, yeah.
The comic books were a lot of them in their beds and shit crying.
And like thinking about like, I'm a mutant.
Oh, right. Lock them up. Lock them up. If mutants were a real thing, I would be MAGA.
There was an episode of that shit where
I don't want my kid going to school with some mutant.
Some mutant? That shit sounds like a slur already. Like,
Daddy, Jamie was crawling on the roof again. Oh,
goddamn mutes.
Goddamn mutes. Goddamn mutes. Hey, it's the youngest in charge. It's the youngest in charge. Kid Vic. Hey. You know what it is.
Oh shit, slim cut European shirt. We out here. Gang.
Nothing but.
You know what I'm saying?
Nothing but.
The tech.
All right. Man, Victor. He'll be playing the voice of Jesus in our new animated series, Jesus and the Dinosaurs. Walking with the Lord. It's a brontosaurus and a raptor and a dog.
The Holy Trinity is a triceratops.
Whoa,
dude.
It's like a wacky action intro. It's like Jesus, like one of the dinosaurs steps on his robe. He's like, Bronto.
Come on. Wow. Give me a break here.
He's putting communion wafers on a triceratops. Jesus and the Dinosaurs.
Yes. Fucking Diplodocus is like, yo, we ran out of fish. He's like, I got this.
Oh, wow. Look, it's our enemies. The evolutionaries. Whoa.
Oh, my God. It's Darwinism. Oh, we rebuke you.
I get you this time, G. Right? I'll get you this time, Jesus. This time.
He's like Dick Dastardly and shit.
But he's always like riding on finches and like tortoises and shit.
Yeah. He's like, look at this chimpanzee. This will turn into people one day.
We can't let this. Jesus, we can't let this happen. He's like, calm down, Bronto.
I got it.
I got this.
I'm going to make a nigga a whale, eat a nigga, and then I'm going to come back.
Jesus, I left my sandwich on the boat. If only you could walk across water and get it for me.
I got this.
I'm a Stegosaurus.
Hold my chancletas.
Oh, wow. He's walking on water.
Look at that.
Wow. Nigga turn right to the camera like, your move, atheist. I'm just picturing it. So I'm like, it's a darker VeggieTales. It's VeggieTales for this generation.
Yes, for millennials.
So, David Nevins, you want to know? What's up?
VeggieTales. Y'all threw that shit off of my love for my kids, like just on some like, oh, this looks wholesome. And I didn't realize it was just like wild Bible shit. Like,
it went from you gotta watch it out because it's not just wild Bible shit.
The cucumber's like, don't be gay, kids. I'm like, yo, what the fuck, bro? Like, yo.
Mr. Eggplant felt bad, but he still didn't get a vaccine. So like, oh, what is this shit?
Yo.
Mommy. They told me to go back to where plums come from. Well, I mean, to be fair, this was their neighborhood first. You know?
Yeah, so
Let's sit down and talk to you.
This is a cauliflower area, so we gotta get moving.
We gotta get going.
It's Sunday.
Mom, they hung a plastic bag in front of our house.
Oh my God! It said Foxy on it.
Oh no! I didn't want to talk about this, but your Uncle Potato, he was French fried by the VVV.
Oh.
The wild dark shit.
I can't believe it.
Is the dragon about the house?
No! My children! My spuds! My spuds! My spuds! You see little potato chips crying and shit.
Like yesterday when they were like they didn't name us for the Emmys. This right here. This right here. This is why. They're like, yeah, the potato lynching. Too far.
That was too far.
Bon appetit, potato.
Yeah, why don't you guys do whimsical things like singing cars?
I'll show you guys how we deal with starches around here.
Yeah.
They can catch you in the trees like mad potato skins peeled off and shit.
You just see a wild vat of peanut oil. They're like,
no. Niggas come around like, you see my father? Niggas eating French fries like, don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about, but you best get to moving, boy.
Sponsored by McDonald's.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. We're lynch taters.
We got to do a top 10. What are our top 10 most problematic sketches?
Oh, man.
Because that potato lynching, that's up there.
Yeah, it's up
That's
there.
up there. My spuds.
My spuds.
We got to recreate that.
No, my spuds.
We got someone recreate that as stop motion using actual vegetables. I will pay you out my pocket. Oh, man.
You know they're going to do it, too.
I know they got to do it one time.
You had to do it one time.
That's why I like our podcast. Well, okay. Yo, shout out to Joe Button and Crystal beefing. That was not this week. That was a couple weeks ago. And I was like, oh my God, my little what was it called?
Podcast, sorry.
It was what show were we all on?
Uncommon Sense. Yeah.
I was like, the Uncommon Sense family's breaking up. It's like the Avengers after like half of them disappeared.
Yeah.
But then also I was like, we are wild out the loop. We don't know nothing about that.
I was like,
because people were just like, yo, y'all gonna talk about that on your podcast. I was like, yo, fam, we don't know anything. Yeah. I was like, yo, whoever's right, I hope they win.
Yeah.
I was like, all we do on our podcast talk about like Pino and eating butt. Like we don't be sending no shots at nobody or nothing. Like,
yo, because that's what happens. Yo, when you send shots,
we are in our own little bubble on this shit. And like, if you listen to it, you in that bubble too. You know more about Michael Anthony and his beef with Julio and Traffic. Yo. Also, not to blow you guys' minds, no one can see Julio. Julio is the snuffleupagus to Michael Anthony.
That's right.
Think about it. No one sees Julio.
Open third eye.
He never
keeps
sees,
a low profile.
He never sees Julio.
You know what I'm saying?
Julio is actually, this is revealed in the season finale, the best version of Michael Anthony.
Oh, shit. Black Mirror.
Black Mirror.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Shout out to Black Mirror making 3 episodes this season. Netflix was like, hey, Charlie, look, what do you got? He was like, I got 3. He went to the pub, was like, what if your beer was a robot? What if your MacBook had a dick? What if sound waves were crunchy like potato chips? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Mike
40 mil.
Give me 40 mil.
Give me 40 mil.
Mike Francis.
Excuse me, 40 pounds in it.
Pence.
In it. Give me, you want 40 pence. You want 40 pence. Yo, Netflix.
I don't want any pence.
Let us write the next Black Mirror.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? What you got to lose?
You know what I'm saying?
Charlie Brooker, take a season off. Come on, we got some heat.
Yeah, we got some banter snatches.
What about what if you smoke hookah and then you wake up, you're inside the hookah. Boom. Season episode 1.
That's it.
Okay, number 2.
Grown
man smokes hookah, wakes up as a baby, guest star I Know Fucking Baby.
Oh,
episode 2.
Oh shit!
All right, it's kind of hookah heavy, but we're working on stuff.
We're working on stuff.
You wear a pair of pants on the show.
Mm-hmm.
You send it down to DR in a barrel. The person that wears a pair of pants, they get their own show. People find out, and everyone is trying to go to war to wear the magic pants.
Magic pants.
Episode 3. Boom.
Pow.
Boom. 3.
Sorry, Mormons.
Knockdown. There you go. Okay. We need a Jamaican one now. Okay. You go to the meat shop. You go to the butcher shop.
No.
And you go.
Okay.
The meat is no bone. Goats no longer have bones.
Fam.
What do older Jamaican women spend their time complaining about?
Yo.
A world where goats have no bones and older Jamaican women solve like all the crises.
Yo.
It's a utopia. A goatopia.
Fam.
Until the last goat left, because we're killing so many goats, the last one turns and says, "We would have helped you
if you would have listened."
End credits.
Boom.
That's five.
Boom.
Go. Do the Megan Rapinoe
what's up?
Coming to Netflix office like,
we deserve this.
they're like, please get off the desk. Please get off the desk unless you're gonna dance like Bobby Schmurder.
Yo, you
shot a nigga last week about a week ago.
Oh! You send the barrel back home, and the shit goes back in time, and you open it as a child. And you got merch from the show, and you're like,
but you don't know what it is.
You don't know what it is. And then 20 years later,
you think it's a threat.
And then you die.
Yeah, okay, that's good. That's, good.
That's like the twist at the end.
I like that. Okay, I got that.
It's a computer one.
Computer one. Okay, computer one. Okay. You're in school. You're playing Oregon Trail.
Yep.
But you're mad because like you all the kids that you hated, you put them in
to
Oregon
kill them on
Trail,
purpose.
But after it says enter their name, next thing you know, you're at the store, and then you turn to the car and you're in there with all the people you hate.
Oh shit!
But you're still controlling it from the outside. So you're trying to tell yourself, like, yo, don't ford the river.
Yo.
Like, he clearly said the river was 14 feet.
Yo, no.
Like,
don't do it.
Please,
don't do it.
Please,
don't do it.
For God's sakes, let's not waste the...
Yo.
We already got too much buffalo meat.
Stop. You're gonna kill the oxen.
Come on. Stop shooting rabbits. We can't eat rabbits.
It's a waste of bullets. They're too fast.
Oregon Trail, Black Mirror.
Fuck Oregon Trail for that.
Okay.
Making the squirrels mad fast.
There you go.
And sparse.
And you gotta free yourself from the game. It's like that other one, but you're on a 5 1/4 discs.
Yeah.
So like most of it is like you on eBay trying to win an auction to find one that works with like a MacBook. It's like it's very dark.
Damn, this shit is.
All right, we need like
it's
a
not
love
compatible.
one.
We need an emulator.
We need a love version one. Okay, here we go.
Black Planet. Done.
Boom. Like it. Like it.
You make a profile on Twitter.
You use the Face app, which is owned by Russia, and you make the older version of you falls in love with the female version of you.
Oh, shit.
And you're trying to break them apart. You're like, no,
this
you're
isn't
both
real.
Me.
This
you're
isn't
both
real.
Me. And like they're very angry about you.
Yo, you just turn into like Spider-Man.
And people
like,
don't. And the people around them, they see you trying, and they think you're like a homophobe. Because you're like, this is not right. You guys shouldn't be together. You guys shouldn't be together. And they're like, love wins.
Love is love.
Oh shit, that's the Manuel Miranda.
He's a genius.
He's a genius, bro. He made Hamilton. Boom, bye, in a Hamilton head. Shoot the Hamilton and like the Foxy man is dead.
You know what I'm saying?
Was that from? I think that's in Hamilton. Yeah.
He's doing a dancehall version.
If you want to be my Hamilton, gotta get with my treaties. Making love forever.
Never end. Fuck you, Aaron Burr. I'ma cap your ass.
Shut your body down and wind your body down.
Niggas is dueling? Niggas was dueling back then.
With dicks. Would you duel against someone with a dick? That's saying a lot. That first of all, that's assuming they got a bigger joint than you. You know what I mean?
True.
Like, secondly, like like you'd have to get it up in public.
Oh yeah, that's hard. That's tough.
At a specific time.
That's tough.
You know?
Yeah.
It's not the Apple. It's not the iPhone. You just can't like dial
like, yo.
Are
Yeah,
fluffers allowed?
Because
Because it's about the duel. It's not about the prep.
Yeah.
That's like that Heather B song. Oh, fluffers down.
Damn. You know what I'm saying?
She's talking about why a lot of back in the 90s, a lot of rappers had fluffers.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Before they go on stage.
You know, niggas getting fluffed out there. You don't getting fluffed was like not writing your own rhymes. A lot of people don't know that about hip hop.
Or Pino. Like,
Pino,
you getting
Pino.
fluffed? You not old school. You're not old school Pino.
School.
Like, imagine there's like that divide between porn stars. It's like, you got a fluffer? Psst.
Well, I mean, even
Couldn't be me.
baseball had the dead ball era, and then they have like what they have now. So there had to be like a dead balls era.
Dead balls era?
Pino. Before the fluffer, back when we did things the right way with a vacuum tube. Yeah,
That's right. That's right.
I had to slam my cock 5 times in the door to keep it up.
You know what? I put a horse pill up my ass because they told me it made my dick hard.
You know what? I used to put thumbtacks.
That's right.
Right in my sack.
Right, that's right.
There.
Uh-huh.
Where did the term Sacagawea come from?
That's exactamundo.
Put them right in my sack and I go, ooh,
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Little coke right under the dick hole.
Oh, yeah.
Right there, boom.
Guess what?
Lasting hours.
You ever seen the movie The Never Ending Story when he's riding on that dragon?
That's right,
That was my
Falcor.
cock. Yeah. I used to call it Falcor.
Yeah, Falcock.
My cock would come out. It would look like Tony Montana at the end of Scarface. You want to see my little friend? Okay. I reloaded.
Puppy water. Here come the puppy water.
Nasty.
Nasty boys. Nasty boys.
We got to do a song called Sushi Boys Problematic Light.
Yeah.
Problematic. We saw a girl in
Save
the
it for Riggs.
Save it for Riggs. Hey. Save it.
Yeah, shout out to
We
Riggs.
can also do covers of popular songs such as what song would you like to see covered? If we do remake Suavemente, but make it like the wild, sexy turn-up version for like Pizza Zoo and La Marina and shit. Cause right now it's like a cool family friend. Like make that shit mad nasty. Like Suavemente, open that pussy on the back. So shit come on like a baby shower. Niggas just start having sex on the floor.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Do you remember there was a time in America that we had 2 lambada movies in the theater
at the same time?
At the same time, The Forbidden Dance.
Shout out to Lou Diamond Phillips. Oh, no, my bad. That was La Bamba.
Still shouts to Lou, though.
Shout to Lou. Shout to Lou.
He owned it for a minute.
Yo, word. He was priest later. That nigga's Mario Lopez pops. Check that DNA. Take him on Morby.
Who?
Lou Diamond Phillips.
Lou Diamond Phillips and Mario Lopez. I'm like, yo, that's your pops, dog. They look exactly alike.
But wait, Lou Diamond Phillips, isn't his real name?
That's him. Is that Rob Lowe?
Yeah, his real name was like something else. I forgot what it was. I'm not really good at researching. This ain't the library. Actually, I used to work at the library and like with the research shit, like that was your job. Like you'd have to help people, and all of that was like just teaching people like you can use and Google searches. They was like, yo, how can I find out like who has the most books in Tacoma? I was like, put most books and Tacoma. They were like, whoa, excuse me, Mr. Robot.
Whoa, can I use the plus sign?
I was like, you can do all that. It's called Boolean searches, bro. So yes, in the 1990, there was a craze across America, and America was in love with lambamba. Not lambamba, fuck me up. The lambada, the dance craze,
The forbidden dance.
Yes.
I'm like, why was that shit forbidden? Because it was
That's
like,
why everyone, because it was like too sexual.
Oh.
And there were stories about it was like so sexual, people getting turned on and passing out, which sounds like some dumb shit, but every now and then you get something in American culture that's for people who don't have enough sex. 50 Shades of Grey. Yeah. So, you know, secretary. Yeah. All right. Yeah. For people who are like, I don't want to deal with Pinot, but I want to get Pinot adjacent.
Yeah.
All right.
Shout out to 50 Shades of Grey is like, yo.
50 Shades of Grey is repressed housewife sex. Shit.
Yo, I'm like, yo, if this is exciting and like freaky to
like,
you,
yo,
like
they kept their eyes open during sex.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
They're freaks.
He spanked her.
so naughty.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just open your White Claw while you're reading it.
I was like, yo, don't be a fly on the wall in my room, nigga.
I'm like, this is y'all like this?
Shit.
Here, me and Mero wrote something. Mero comes home. Mero knows what he wants. Mero spits directly in her butthole in front of the whole family. They're like, this is not making it.
Sir.
Victor's like, yeah, this is not going on Hallmark Channel. Mero knocks the Thanksgiving turkey off the table.
This is supposed to be wholesome.
The only thing getting basted is this dick. Propping his foot up on the kids' table, Mero presumes the Captain Morgan position. He goes, you know what time it is, mate?
While carving a turkey.
While eating a handful of mashed potatoes. Gobble, gobble, I'm a nasty boy, he says, mashing the mashed potatoes into his chest. To be extra sexy, he uses the cranberry sauce as lube.
Yeah.
Ah, my turkey, my turkey.
Has to be the right time of the year, though, month, because the cranberry sauce could get confusing. Yeah, I took it there. I'm eating Menses and cranberries. Sounds like a Jamroom line.
That does. That sounds like That sounds like
eat
some
cranberries
that's
to keep it
definitely
Menses.
That's me. I'll be like, yo, Inspector Deck is the best rapper out right now.
Eat my cranberries and Menses.
Yo, y'all don't understand that. Shout out to J. Cole. He still makes music.
Oh shit, he's out here.
Throwing it out there because I know y'all get on your feelings because we flamed him on Hot Ones.
Did we?
We were just like, we don't listen to it.
Yo,
that's flaming
y'all
nowadays.
pussy. I'm not that guy. I'm not the old comedian that's like, yo, we can't say things. But yo, if you say I don't really fuck with this, how is that flaming you?
I don't understand that.
Like, how is that flaming you?
It's also like, okay, so
I don't really fuck with kombucha, dog. Like, it's not my cup of tea.
I found out also in like Hollywood, like say you don't get along with someone and y'all in the same room and you stick to one side of the room, that's beef. How's that beef? If I don't like you, why would I come over and talk to you? I'm not gonna be phony. Show the back of my veneers.
Like,
no.
yo, hey. Oh
Hey,
my God.
Congrats on that deal.
It's so great to see you.
So great to see you. And then you walk away and I'm like, can't stand that bitch.
Fucking motherfucker.
Nah, I keep it real. Actually, no, if you got beef with someone in Hollywood, just pull up.
They don't even know. They don't even know what to do. They don't even know what to do.
I think that Def Jam. Oh, that what is it? The Rock Nation brunch is coming soon.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wonder if we'll get invited.
Peckus. We're coming dressed as the two guys from Dumb and Dumber in the orange and blue suits, and I want someone to say something.
Yo, where is that shit? Is it out west or is it in New York?
It's in New York.
Oh.
No, sometimes it's in L.A. It moves around.
Yo, y'all niggas had Jim Jones up there. Y'all bring the Bodega Boys up there.
Y'all had the Bodega Boys up there.
Stop playing.
I'm coming in an outfit made of backwards. I'm like, is there shade? Because I'm catching on fire.
Yo, please.
Also, the nicotine is rubbing directly into my skin. I am passing out.
I'm passing out right now, and I really want a Newport for some reason.
Mero's coming in an Averex, like heavy nose face pants, and some fucking the 12 below Timbs or whatever.
Straight up with no shirt.
Just gonna be out there fainting like.
I wore no shirt because I thought it was gonna be cool, but
Oh
damn,
shit.
feel like a leather interior. Mega superior.
Yo.
My auto awards.
I'm actually gonna come
steady,
out with you know that chick that goes to all the award shows with like a MAGA dress?
Oh yes.
I'll come with that. I'm coming with a MAGA Averex.
Yeah. Bob Vila, I think is her name.
Yeah, shut up. Joy Villa.
Yeah,
sorry.
Who cares?
Try that. Give it my straight. But now I think about it, a MAGA Vanson would be kind of hard.
Yo, the MAGA Van with the
MAGA
stars and
Averex
shit.
and shit.
Ooh.
That red and blue with the stars and shit.
Champagne, what's in Genesis, lovely time.
You know what it is? On the back, it's like, go back to your country. Just a guy on a motorcycle, like, yeah.
Remember the Al Wisdom joints, the stitch joints?
Uh-huh.
Just the trumpito stitch in the back, like, yo, go back to your country.
Yeah, just point at you.
Instead of Scarface.
Yeah. I don't really agree with the message, but I fucks with the jacket.
He's like, I'm only using white leather. Don't ask me why.
Trump has not had a Supreme drop yet.
Nah.
So many options.
He got to
bro.
drop. Yo, you can drop ties, wigs,
taco bowls,
all that shit.
all that shit, bro.
Come on, dog.
Hook that shit up.
He's fucking up. He's fucking up with the millennial base right now in Generation Z. You can scoop all the motherfuckers up. Just do
Trump should have had the
drop.
Travis Scott Air Force Ones.
Facts. Yo, do it fucking. Yo.
But no, it'd be the Travis Scott ones, but then like on the switch they have like the Trump's hair and shit.
Like the OBJ shit instead of pony hair, Trump hair.
Trump hair, yeah.
Dr. Borsi's like, I got plenty on deck.
Funny.
Yeah, we don't even have to do a limited run. These could be general release.
Friends and family, so I only make 7 pairs.
It's
Ivanka, Jared Kushner, and Putin.
It's red.
What about Ben Boston?
Yeah, fuck him.
He's gonna wear it and get Popeyes on it.
He crushed me over playing basketball. I told him I don't even play Negro for sports.
That he go 3 seconds. Who does that? It was a pickup game.
Yo, that motherfucker don't do shit. I believe Obama playing basketball because there's documentation. Also, if there was no photos ever at all or video of Barry being like, yo, I play ball in the White House, I'll believe him.
Yeah.
I do not believe Donald Trump does anything athletic. And even though there's a photo of him playing tennis, I still don't looking wild thick with 2 C's. You know what I'm saying? But I still
Thick with it.
I still do not believe that he does anything
I
athletic
feel like
whatsoever.
what if video came out and Donald Trump was nice?
Imagine
Imagine
he was
Donald Trump,
filthy.
Imagine Donald Trump was nasty.
He had
with
like the
it.
Kyrie Irving
like
and
he doing
2K
the hot sauce
package.
shit with the.
Yeah.
Whose man is this? Whose man? You can't guard me.
Yo, you niggas can't go. Nigga bounced the ball off Ben
Yeah.
Barson's head and
Like,
shit.
yo.
Like, oh, they got the N1 nigga. They're like, oh,
We can hit the 40-footer or some Davey 11 and shit.
Trumpito for 3. Oh my God.
Cash money, you know what it is, Trumpito.
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Banco Populare, nigga.
Yeah.
What's goody?
Make your defense great again. Whose man is this? You can't guard me.
Yeah.
Short skins doesn't matter.
Yeah. You play Matador D because you're illegal.
All right. You play Matador D because you're full of bull. Watch this. ISO Trumpo. ISO Trumpo.
Niggas coming down the thing like, yo,
Yo.
ISO Trump.
You know this.
Yeah, get this headband, keeping my Wigginson
Boom, boom,
on.
boom. You know this. 3. 3 right there.
3 to the dam.
You can't stop that. Melania, watch me use this nigga.
Imagine calls niggas out like, yo.
Go, come here.
Yo, D up.
Come here. Mnuchin, come here. Mnuchin, your wife watching?
Yeah.
Tell her look away.
Yo, McConnell. Peep the first step.
McConnell, go back in your show.
Yo, that's a blocking foul. Nigga McConnell just in the paint going to shell. Like, yo, that's a blocking foul.
That's a blocking foul.
He's like, no, it's not. My feet weren't moving.
It's a blocking foul and it's 3 seconds. In 15 seconds, you haven't moved.
You haven't moved. That's 15 hours. Nigga, you've been on the course since last night. Is it because there's a heating lamp there?
His wife, Ellen Cho. Don't talk to my husband like that. Don't talk to my husband like that. You get away from him.
It's okay, sweetheart. I
right.
got it covered.
When I be in that show, he be knocking my shit out.
Hey, listen, everybody just needs to lower their temperature.
He be eating my shit like a leaf.
That's right.
So he be eating my shit like iceberg lettuce. Y'all don't know.
Slow and steady, baby. Let 'em
All
know.
night. All
Yeah.
night. She starts singing Beyonce and shit.
Yeah.
All night long. Imagine coming out with some lingerie trying to hook him up. Mitch, it's that time of the year.
Oh,
He's like,
shit.
time to shed my shell.
Oh, yeah, what?
Yeah, you gonna shed that shell in this pussy.
Oh, is it molting season?
Mitch, take your pills because you know what time it is.
Oh.
Oh.
My shell isn't the only thing that's about to be hard.
He probably just goes out, gets mashed schmizzy, and comes back like on some brunch shit.
Yo, with his cheeks mad red, because you know
Yeah.
white niggas get drunk, their cheeks get mad red. He's like, hey,
Hey, Ellen Cho.
daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Busted wide.
Busted, baby. Oh, that's right. We put the idea of Mitch McConnell having sex in your head.
Yeah, that's right.
That's nasty.
Yo.
Is that the life you wanted?
And it reminded me of a Juicy J line that is so problematic. I'm not even going to say it. I'm going to hit the problematic lane, and you can figure it out by yourself. But it has to do with having sex with Asian women.
Wow.
That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. Not going to repeat the line.
Jesus, what's wrong with those people over there? It's like they don't worship you. Stegosaurus, they're called Jewish people. They're not going to the promised land.
But it's okay. It doesn't matter because I'm going to make a bunch of movies where I have women that are way out of my league.
Tyrannosaurus Rex, get him!
Oh, my God.
Doing it for the Messiah.
Oh my God! It's a dinosaur. Oh my God!
T-Rex
oh, no.
just stomps through a fucking synagogue.
Nigga eats Woody Allen.
Everyone's like, this is well anti-Semitic. We're just like, how? Like, how do you figure? Like, what's anti-Semitic about it?
What do you mean?
They're like, can you keep rolling the clip?
Yeah, good.
Jesus, look, those Jews are poisoning the well.
Yeah. We just standing there like.
Go like, nah. It's metaphorical.
Yeah, it wasn't like literal.
Please fast forward to episode 4 after this one. Hey, dinosaurs, listen, they're trying to kill our Christ. How can we get him back?
What?
Yeah, those dirty Jews.
Oh my God! We gotta get him.
They're like, this can't run in Israel. I was like, why not?
What?
What happened?
Are they gonna have a problem with it?
No, all the dinosaurs are kosher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've been blessed by rabbis, so why would they even?
They're like, you got to do an anti-Muslim one too. I'm like,
Yeah.
ooh,
I don't know about that. Yeah, nah.
Yeah, because we're supposed to hang off with the guy from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, so yeah, nah.
He definitely watches the show.
Oh, hell yeah. That nigga be hitting the hookah mad hard.
MBS?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, and he fuck with Vice. Like, he's like, my niggas, yeah. Imagine like,
nigga just throwing money at the TV. He's like, I hope you get it.
we're just on some panel. They're just like, yo, like people who've done world violations of like human nature, and it's like MBS, like, yeah. I was like,
yeah. So homie, we gotta do like that fake apology shit, like when they get Hollywood people to like perform for despots.
Yeah.
Just be like, yo.
The Bodega Boys performed for $68 million each.
Wow.
Where after comment, Victor was like,
close quote.
I didn't TMZ catch us at JFK with suitcases with money coming out of it. We actually didn't perform. That you guys can't just believe everything you say. You know. Oh, you have footage?
Yeah, we have footage. What do you have to say? What do you have to say about this controversy?
Where's that footage from? How do you know that's us? Like, there's nothing in the footage that...
I mean, this guy clearly resembles you, and his...
the footage is just me like, Saudi Arabia, are you ready for the Bodega Boys here on Saturday, July 13, 2019? Yeah, we're performing for MBS.
Yeah, I took the Wild Circle Bugatti like, yeah, bro, we're out here, bro, yeah.
You start with like Michael Anthony. I'll find me in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Y'all got the whole thing on tape. Fuck. Yeah. I was like, well, see, the thing is, what's going on right now in like the Gulf region is a protracted state of war.
That's right.
And like at this point, we can neither pick sides. Move it! Knocked over the suitcase, start running out. Suitcase opens, like mad money flying out. I was like, doesn't even matter. We got like 68 mil.
I think it's still 58 left. I don't give a fuck.
Mike, stop the car. How dare you? Man, people on Twitter like, you guys know better. I was like, I know better about bank accounts. Shit. Like Nicki Minaj's open act.
She's like, are you ready for the Bodega Boys?
They're like, why would you perform for a guy that kills people? I'm like, how do you know he kills people? They're like, he beheaded people during your act. I was like, oh, I thought like I was making a painting.
Oh, shit, I thought that was magic.
Wow.
I be seeing that shit all the time. David Blaine stay cut niggas in half. What the fuck?
Oh, that was for real?
Oh, shit.
Wow, that's wild.
That's why it smell like that.
BodegaHop.com. Tickets still available, though.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
You know
We added a second show.
That's right. Come see the Bodega Boys live at Bucharest.
You know what I'm saying? Tuck your press pass.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, goddamn.
Oh, man.
Yeah, no, niggas just carrying bone cells around. No big deal.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Facts. Talk to me next. Talk to me about shmoney.
They're like, yo, do you have any apprehensions about working here? I'm like,
no, actually, because I got home with the... And my kids was like...
and everyone has to lock up their phone. I see one person with a phone. I'm like,
stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
you can hop in the audience to break the phone.
Yeah,
like,
nah. Should have like, yo.
Just have the Royal Guard take them away.
The ushers got guns and shit. Like, yo, my man, is that a phone?
I don't think so.
Give me that shit. Oh, now? Hold that. VIP,
man.
nigga. Meet and greet. Meet the dirt, nigga.
Wow, okay. All right. So everybody was like, yo, all you guys do is talk about porn. How about death?
Yeah.
How about death?
How about that? Yeah.
That's
we
what
just
you get.
over here talking about dying and shit.
Listen.
Motherfucker. Oh, stop talking about what you guys talking about Pinot. We talk about Pinot, yes. We're Pinot connoisseurs.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Jesus, those guys are looking at magazines with naked titties. We have to go destroy them. I'm like, nah. Yo, Jesus, call your brontosaurus. Yo, get your brontosaurus. Yo, get your brontosaurus.
Hey, guys, I'm here.
Yo, get your... Yo. Why he has a blicky in a children's show?
What?
He's like, yo, you for real?
What is this strap?
My nigga, you shot my brontosaurus? Like, walk over and heal him. I'm like, oh, word?
Oh, what? Hold that, nigga.
You do this all day.
Stupid. You nigga heal him again and shut up. Be like, you know what? Fuck that. Heal that.
Jesus versus the pornographers. They live in a village called Pino.
Instead of Desus and Mero, we're Sodom and Gomorrah.
Listen, we gotta get in a Disney movie somehow. They're like, let's change Forsen and Little Mermaid. We're the fins that make you sin, Sodom and Gomorrah. When you wanna take a pill, make you smacked and fucking chill. It's Sodom and Gomorrah. They're like, actually, the name is Floatsome and Jetsome. I was like, nah.
No. Do you need some opioids?
They're supposed to be stingrays. Why do they have Yankee
boys.
Fitteds and Timberlands?
Why?
Wow, like you?
The stingrays don't got feet.
Cartoon stingrays do.
The-
Okay, y'all very judgy. Also should be played by Dasha Polanco. I need all my friends to work. And the captain should be played by Ezra.
Prince Eric.
Prince Eric, yes.
Prince Ezra.
And Andrew Kendrick should be Little Mermaid.
Bomb. Done. Book it. We in there. Let's get it.
You took my feet for real? You're the bitch.
You're a little
bitch.
bitch.
This bitch took my voice.
Oh my God.
She has to communicate to.
Are you jealous?
She's communicating with us with the cups. Like she's like. I was like, I didn't see the movie. What does the cups mean?
What is that?
Oh, she wants Hennessy.
Oh, okay. Got
You know
it.
the scene in Little Mermaid where she is mad drunk and shit.
Yeah.
It's like the pink elephant scene.
Yeah.
Mad Henny in the water and shit.
Yo, she's like, yo, Henny Palooza, nigga.
She takes a fork and she's sticking in her arm.
She got too high. She's like, yo, I don't feel anything.
She OGs off tartar sauce. I was like, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Don't stop me. Don't stop me. I'm delicious. I'm delicious.
I don't give a shit. I love it.
I don't care
love
about
it.
anything.
Fuck yeah.
She has a stick of butter. Stop her. Stop her.
I don't care.
Throwing herself in
I
the
don't
oven at
care.
350
Ariel,
degrees.
bitch. Ariel, who the fuck are you? Fucking bitch. She goes straight white girl wasted, like starts being mad belligerent, like fuck you. This is my party.
This is fucking.
DJ, play fucking Dua Lipa again.
They can't find her, and like King Triton is looking for her, and he finds her like in a king. He kicks on the door, and a Red Lobster. That's my daughter. That's my daughter. She's like, Dad. Yeah. She's like in a tray with like mad fucking parsley and shit. Dad. Some chef just gets up and like takes the spices and runs out. What have you done to her?
What have you done?
Where are your scales? Where are your scales?
Oh no. Oh, your toes.
Oh,
Ew.
no.
Damn.
Nigga wrapper on a tomato.
He's like, my dear daughter, when they gave you feet, they forgot to tell you have to clip your toenails. You dusty asshole.
That's right. Jaheim presents The Little Mermaid of Trenton.
Bitch just swimming in the Passaic River and shit. Like he gets hit in the head with a tire.
Watch it. You just throwing shit in the river. What
Yo,
the fuck?
what the fuck? Fuck is
y'all
wrong with y'all,
niggas.
motherfucker?
Anyway, I'm going to the studio because I rap.
I got a joke with Fetty Wap coming out next week.
I'm trying to be one of the Remy girls.
You know what I'm saying?
It's hard for me to rap because I have to go back in the water every 30 seconds while I'm making it work. No one
it's all
got breath
good.
control like your girl.
You know what I'm saying? Holla.
Anyway, if y'all allow me to, I would like to do a Megatron guest. He's like, oh, bring on water, bring on water, bring on water.
Hurry, splash, splash, splash.
Oh, God.
See, we're perfect for the reboot.
We
Stupid.
are. We're
What's
ready
wrong
for
with
the
y'all?
reboot, the boot, the original boot, the BIOS boot.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Whatever.
saying?
The prologue,
the safety
epilogue.
the safe drive boot. You know what I'm saying?
saying?
The
All that
safe mode
shit.
boot with no applications. Load it into the ROM.
And your fucking wallpaper's in black and white.
That's
for
what
some
you know
reason.
that shit is serious. And it's like, yo, you ready to lose everything on your computer? I want you to look right now.
We gotta run safe
I
mode,
want you
dog.
to look right now. All right, there's no wallpaper. You might lose all your photos.
Yo.
You might lose all your music.
Fam, there's only one folder in your
Okay.
desktop right now.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever backed up your shit? And the whole time you be like, damn, I'm gonna do backups from now
Damn, yo,
on.
I gotta defragment.
And the computer go from safe mode to be like, yo, all right, you good. You can go back into normal mode.
Alright,
But
God.
be more careful in the future.
You know what I'm saying?
And you be like, whew, I ain't backing up shit.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck you and his ViewSonic monitor.
But then when everything breaks, you be like, oh my God, what happened? What is it?
What-
It didn't
what?
back up. What do you...
I just kept.
It's not in the cache?
I
Oh my
just,
God.
Oh no! I just kept Xing out the little dialogue boxes. I thought that would fix it.
Oh God. I lost everything. I lost everything in my Winamp. Oh, man.
Oh, my elephant! It's great elephant man's greatest hits are gone.
Oh, man.
Yo, Shanka. Yo, sadly, that is not. We learned today that is not the first thing that pops up when you Google Elephant Man.
No, actually, the movie Elephant Man pops up for some reason. Who he's never made a Juke Girl, so you know, get the fuck out of here. Just get out of here.
Shit's trash, B. You didn't make Log On. Get the shit out of here.
It did not.
You know what I'm saying?
Right? Even though Log On is problematic. You know what it is. You know it isn't problematic. Episode 165.
Yeah,
Bodega Boys in the
motherfucker.
building. Most dangerous podcast in the building.
Stupid.
A lot of podcasts say they're dangerous. You know what? I'll be honest with you. No podcast is really dangerous.
It's
We're
not
not
really-
really. It's just a term.
We were dangerous in like 2005. I would
Yeah,
say.
now we're just look. We're Ice Cube. Are we there yet? Levels.
Yes.
We're friendly. You can play us. You can play us in your car. Like it's a lot of cursing, but your kids eventually hear it.
They'll
Like,
be
they'll be
all
fine.
right.
They're gonna
Yeah.
hear these curses regardless.
Yeah, don't shelter them.
You know, don't show
what
to
I'm
them.
saying?
Don't show to them.
Let them know what suck my dick from the back means.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Like, they'll be okay.
Want to know?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, it's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo, aka Pack and Stay Fat like. Here we go. Up next for Best Teen Kiss, we got Mitch Mercado and Sandra. Slow down, I know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuedo, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. That Nando's be hitting, boy. That shit could be hitting. 1994 in Nueva York. Mikel going off the Juve boss. MC looking Google P. Put up for 40, which is shorty.
That's right.
Got my car smelling like love spell. Yeah. Okay, don't talk to me in the Uber pool because I
Well,
don't know you. I don't know you at all. I never met you before. We're not best friends.
This guy, man.
I met you on the street once. I did that thing where I point at you like I know you, and now you lying and say we got an album coming out together.
What?
Faking Jacks.
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
The original My Plus One got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son.
Do not.
Actually, you know what? Just let me in. Just let me in and don't question how many people I'm bringing in. Okay?
That's it.
All right?
Unless you want to get slandered on the podcast and on television.
Slandered. DJ Rossi and Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast. The Ghost of Mufasa, Young Charcuterie Ratacunery. JK Chili Limon, left handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo-K.
That's right.
Yeah, Sushi Boys with that Doherty audio for you. G-Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute.
3 times. Yeah,
Three times. Use to wash your toast or your shower. It's
You know what I'm
whatever.
saying?
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240B, like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got Terminator X,
Oh, wow.
who had the seminal classic, Homie Don't Play That.
Yeah.
Which
Drop
was,
that beat.
I guess, based on Living Color.
I guess.
You can tell it's real old school because it was playing in a Jeep Cherokee.
Oh, boy.
No, nobody wants. Come on, nobody wants this.
No, I'm not doing your survey, YouTube. Get out of here.
You gotta hear that. What's sad is every time the Simpsons have like a hip hop person on, this is what their beats sound like.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. Doesn't matter.
All right. Okay. All right.
Get it.
All right. We were letting women rap in 1991.
Oh, according to Jermaine
Right.
Dupri, that's what the people want
All
to
they
hear.
rap about is their pussies.
Yeah, they just rap about their pussies, man.
I mean, let them rap about it. They could be nasty. What if she was like, "Yo, pull out and drink my Diva cup"? I'd be like, "Yo,
I mean, like,
ma'am,
I mean,
hot,
I
but-
get it. Like,
what flavor?"
you rap about, like, I mean, if you can fit your entire body in,
There's not too many songs. There's like guys rap about sex, but they don't be rap. Guys will be like, "Yo, I got the big girthy dick" for like a whole song.
That's true.
We don't all be in the club like, well, there was that song with them niggas with the big dicks.
Yeah. What?
We gotta do the 2019 remix. Yo, if you don't get a big dick, I don't want to see you on the dance floor.
Dude, word
Before
up.
all my homies with big dicks.
Yo.
Grab your homie's dick, see if he girthy
You know
enough
what
to
I'm
be out
saying?
here. You
Word
know what I'm
up.
saying?
You know what I mean? Dick check.
All right, everyone grab it like we elephants walking.
Yo,
1, 2, 3. Big dick energy.
Big
Got my
dick,
big dick homies. Got that big
talk to
dick.
him,
Got that
big
dick. There's no women on the dance floor.
Not at all.
There's mad niggas without shirts.
Mad niggas holding each other's foreskins.
Yo, you got the big cock. Come on the dance floor with me,
Yo,
bro.
let's go. Let's get it, yo.
Yo.
Yo, why you shit hard, though?
Woo. The Gory Goat, Jesus Bison, Gerard Hashford, the Bronxian Dion, the Ray and Nephew's Nephew, the Moreno you can't contain, the Human Man-Made, Word the Job, Young Aaron, the Racial Provocateur, Hedwig Bunkus, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and Human Word, the Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Your juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peggle, the Fashion Over Cash Nova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change, give me
Big money,
One put it.
yeah. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. As a sovereign citizen, you know.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one top left, cause man's is Marv.
Excuse me, bro.
You fuck why? Actually, I want him to have a good life and have him best.
And enjoy yourself.
You know this. Trill Risotto, holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mr. South Franc, so I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Hey!
David Uriman. These is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Yeah. Smokey Noah. Still playing the NBA somewhere. If I lay low, I'll keep getting these checks. Andrew Cunanan. You know, killed Versace, and they turned his house into like a diner, I guess.
Yeah, slit.
AK Junior, any God Junior, come sit down, probably charge it.
Yo, sit party.
Wait, you went to the Versace house?
Yeah.
Are the meals just normal meals, or are they like whimsically named after like
It's like
the stab spaghetti and shit?
Yeah,
Like,
I thought I was hoping it was gonna be like some medieval times type shit where they recreate the murder and
like
then
every
like,
hour it's like, oh no, Andrew Cunanan is here.
Oh, no,
he gonna stab me.
no.
Guy falls on the table, mad like spaghetti and meatballs comes out.
That shit was like,
You open up it.
nigga, that shit was Patricia's on Tremont with like mad decor and like good lighting.
Okay.
But there was mad. Yeah, get ready. There was a lot of
Talent.
Yes, thank you. There's a lot of talent out there.
Oh, niggas be shopping. AK, the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down, palm me charger. Call me Petco, because I got your bitch on fridge. Topic of gossip and side. Y'all shout out to the 11791.
Oh yeah.
Hey, LIRR. The 631 train had 6 cars. Usually has 9 cars. I'm fucking standing in the toilet over here. Get on that.
Hey.
That's what every tweet to the LIRR looks like. We use the Metro North. They're like, hey, thanks for sharing. Could you just let us know what the car number was, and we're looking forward to it. The LIRR Twitter account was like, hey, go fuck yourself, you fazul.
Yeah, you fucking
How dare you?
Yeah, you fucking piece of
You
shit.
fucking broke boy. You would have had a car driving back and forth from the city.
Yeah.
You know what? Just
What's
sit
wrong
there.
with you? Why don't you drive a
Fuck up.
Lexus into the city for 2 hours?
Matter of fact, meet me at Penn Station. I'll fuck you up.
You fucking jerk. I'll be there with Billy Joel and
You
a
know
little
what?
short guy.
Meet me by the Applebee's.
Yeah.
Meet me by the TGI Fridays by the Rite Aid.
That's right.
You'll see me. I have on the Marc Messier jersey.
It's a neighborhood bar and grill.
I'm a fucking neighborhood bar your grill.
Yeah.
You're going to be eating good on the neighborhood. Eating a fish sandwich for my knuckles. It just turns out to be 2 cops.
It's like, what?
AK, Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. You'll get cut.
B.
You man, Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff.
Yo.
It'd be a shame if I made some of these sandwiches disappear from Crafty. They're like, they're free. Well, I just like to steal. The top of that street is a bad breeze like I'm using people believe the black Asian addict who crack your back like automatic craft magic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor and cold demeanor, aka street mass killer. No, the black Zach Morris report Morris, aka your problematic bae. Remember, if you take out a cash advance and send it on drugs and you make the money back, it's like you never took out money in the first place.
Woo! Straight up. You know what I'm saying?
Think about it, follow that.
You know what I mean? Let it marinate on your third eye and decalcify.
The
You know what
calcify.
I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, eat your fucking Yorkie, nigga. Keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. Yeah, I hit little fucking Tito, nigga.
Don't Mr. Bojangles.
Yeah, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here, nigga. My fucking accord. A.k.a. I know fucking bang. I know fucking baby, my nigga. I fucking bang. You know what I'm saying? Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I played the lamp in the brave little toaster, nigga. Pay homage. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking shoe licenses off, man. I'm getting tired of this shit, bro. You niggas disrespect me at the club, B. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? I'm in my basement doing highly concentrated levels of THC. You feel me? A.k.a. get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I got my kids, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Taking philosophy classes with Immanuel Kant, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? Even though that nigga's dead, I've reinvigorated him. Pow.
I respect that.
You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it. Out here, corpses on deck. A.k.a. Bitch Smack me on, but a.k.a. Diego Maradona, you know what I'm saying? I got the golden boot, nigga, that's full of cocaine. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick in your bed, you don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You know what I'm saying?
Does it, or does it belong to the woman? A woman or person is on.
My friend, you're all right. From now on, Deacon your baby Tombo will respect your agency.
I love it. I love it. The growth.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And a true ally.
That's right.
We thank you, our feminist king.
Thank you.
We stand.
Thank you. Continue to stand, please. A.K.A. David Trisdale, you know what I'm saying? Pow, pow, nigga, take that for data. We got all the power forwards, nigga. All of them. We went to Costco for power forwards, nigga.
Hey, get your power forward. Get your power forward. Get your power forwards over here. 2 for 5.
2 for 5.
This is me and James. Hey, you want?
You want some?
Let me get 3 over. Fuck. Give me your ID. We got to send it down.
Come on.
Just everyone handing it down like,
come on. Do you have to vape in here?
Send down 3 mustards too. Mustards and napkins.
Thank you.
He wants Fago. He didn't call you a slur. He wants to know if you guys have Fago.
Yes,
All
thank
right.
you. Appreciate it. A.K.A. Paulo Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. Then I get out and run because it's a Prius and I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. motherfucking the dude that done down as like been daddy, you know what I'm saying? Catch me up there on Friday, you know what I'm saying? Acting out of character. A.K.A. swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it, you know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up and they here asking for selfies, asking me how heaven and the family's doing and shit.
How's
you know
family?
what I'm saying? Oh, you like your little fucking Family Dollar job, Cameron? You know what I'm saying?
Not really. I
You know what I'm saying?
wanted to go to Juilliard, but my mother had like.
Well, life ain't fair, motherfucker, so just put the fucking plastic cutlery in the bag and keep it moving, boy. Stop asking me fucking questions, yo. A.K.A.
Wow.
Romeo Santos.
Wow. Yeah.
So Danny, tu favorito, mami. Yeah, me and Pio together, nigga. We triz your moms on stage at Pizza Zoo, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. I'll kick you in your ass with the Chelsea boots, nigga. Try me, stupid. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Light No Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eye that you're broke ass ain't got five.
You got 5, man.
Bro. When this nigga said he's come through with 5, I thought he said man 5 blunts. He came through with
Exactly.
$5.
No
Oh my
broke
god!
shit.
Wow.
I thought you meant 5 pounds.
Wow.
That's how much
clown.
I flushed in Miami.
You know what I'm saying? Clown ass nigga, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Tom Brady got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Fields ass Tyson. I want to consensually explore your cosmos.
Consensually?
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Been doing it before all the SoundCloud rappers, nigga.
Tap
you know what I'm saying?
out.
Do the exhaustion. You know what I'm saying?
Tap out.
You know what I mean?
That.
You heard? A.K.A. Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Even though Peel's not there flipping coals no more, the energy of the soul is still there. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibes. YKTV, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. motherfucking Ben Bosson. My hands are gifted. I'll find a mosquito in amber and recreate dinosaurs using only a spork and gamma rays. Even though the white guy with the fedora told me it was a bad idea, fuck him. I'm the head of HUD. That's not even a lyric, but it's bars. A.K.A. I'll be your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. It's gonna be the you know what I'm saying? Can't remember what happened yesterday. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5. Niggas got garbage down the way. Please ignore the North Carolina state stamp on the bottom of the box. Okay, these are legit and they taste fine. All right, A.K.A. Nino Brown, shut the car down. Don't worry about it. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. The Newport, they hundreds.
Why's my tongue burning?
Nah. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? I got these from China, yo. They good. I ordered them.
It tastes like cinnamon. What's
Yo, listen, it's cool. I got the box that says lovely cigarette nicotine, and I'm selling them, so we good now. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Nino Brown, shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. live from the motherfucking front of Western Union, singing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is mugging and Toxic Love, Don't Let Me Leave. And he's gonna ask you for change, so say that you don't have any.
Wow.
It's the East Tremont Stevie B, the one and only. A.K.A. Listen, mate. Tired of telling you fools this. There's only 2 rock stars left. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plants ain't sleeping ever in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a half a brick of in my guitar. You know what I'm saying? The acoustic shit. You got the good stash spot, Mike. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I met Mike Francesa, dog. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
Never. AKA chilling at the crib of edibles, waiting for Pat Riley to call. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! He might make it. They're signing everybody. Fucking Russell Westbrook
You
is.
think he's going to the Lakers? You think I was going to the Lakers?
Yeah,
or the
hell
Nets?
yeah, Bron. He's like, yo, he's calling LeBron right now. Like, yo, Bron, like, put me on, my nigga. Yo, I thought these peoples, yo. I got weed. Bron's like, yo, come through.
Come through. Say
You know
less.
what I'm saying? Say less.
Say less. Say less, my nigga.
Yo, if you see me at a Target, nigga, higher than Taco Fall,
Higher.
dunking on Mars, you know what I'm saying? With a fucking yarmulke on top, with a spinner on the top of the spinner, nigga.
Oy vey.
I'm the spinner, dog. That's how fucking high I am, dog. If you see me at Target, I'm that level of highness, dog. Approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal.
Approach like a earth sign.
You know what I'm saying? You might get fucking clawed out here. I'm in the dollar section. I'm angry. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it depends on the cloud. Hey. Yo, hey, I appreciate all the support of my TV debut, but I spent that money already, so you got any other gigs lined up? hey, hello? Hi.
I'm looking for one Ben Zerbo. This is Officer Johnson with the ATF. We have a package that apparently has your name in JFK. It's leaking fentanyl and pandas.
Oh, yeah, hold on. I'm business pencil. I'll sign for that.
Open the door. Open it.
You can just.
He's running for the back door. He's running for the back door.
I gotta get the fuck out of here. Oh shit! Fuck! Where's my? Ow! Fuck! Joke's on you, asshole. I just took all the Fenty. I don't even feel it.
He took 5 shots. It didn't even affect him.
Running down the PQE. like fuck yeah, niggas.
He's doing 60 miles per hour.
On foot. I don't understand.
With those big clown shoes. So getting away on a tricycle, like nigga peel out on the power wheel, like
we out here. Okay. I'm so fake into your favorite SoundCloud rapper, dog. He's I have some shoe cleaner, a guy TJ Maxx, and some Snapple that had dust on it from the bodega. They don't even make Chris's mix up anymore, nigga. Damn. Shit is really outdated. Hasan dice, coño, tírame la pista, coño, que llegamos. Oye, que lo que está la vuelta que hay. Llegó el ejército de FIFA, coño, es más fuerte. Demasiado rato, está más pegado que 2 perros cingando, coño. Llega la grasa. Siempre con la bandera alta como la nota de tu. Oye, loco, estamos de gira. Ok. Estamos en Texas. Estamos en California. Y cero bulto, pero si tú no llegaste a ver a Michael Jackson en vivo, esta es la misma vaina, manín. La misma vaina. So, capea tu ticket, bodegahigh.com. Ahí no es arroba, bodegahigh.com. Compra tu boleto, mamagüevo. Ya, shout out acá, shout out Showtime, shout out a todo el mundazo, shout out Víctor, Hasan enseña que ponle una fucking nota, Daiana in the house, you know what I'm saying? Victoria está por ahí hueliendo perico, qué sé yo, you know what I'm saying? Pero estamos aquí. Y, últimamente, a mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, activo, con el cañón sobao. Déjame saber que yo lo suelto, pay. Me quité. ¡Pam! ¡Ja!
What he said, don't let that scare you and make you a MAGA supporter. You know what I'm saying?
No.
It's all about diversity.
That's right.
But episode 165, you know what it is. We back with another one next
You know what I'm saying?
week.
Turn up.
We out.